Good afternoon, ma'am. All right. Now, let us have Mr. Cesar Villarreal, Principal of Titero National High School, Titero Francisco National High School. Now, we have Mr. Melidon Pizurban, Principal of Mapulang Lupa National High School. Miss Marciana Dae, Principal of Valenzuela National High School, Kanumay East Annex. And also, we would like to acknowledge the presence of Dr. Flordelisa R. Mayari once again, Division School Superintendent, and Honorable Congressman Rex P. Gatchalian. We also have here the early bird in our today's guest, Honorable Captain Alvin Feliciano. And of course, the very lovely Mrs. Victoria D. Alcoberos. All right, everyone, welcome to the very first graduation ceremony of our Combadon National High School. We are very grateful for you are part of the history. Why history? Because this is our first commencement exercises. For a large measure, this occasion honors you also, for without your help, your loyalty, and your passion, we would not be here today. To officially bid us welcome in today's event, let us call on Maria Sarah Jean A. Sanchez for her welcome remarks.
Sa ating mapagkalingang punong lungsod ng Valenzuela, kagalang-galang Sherwin P. Gatchalian. Sa ating mapagpalang kinatawan ng unang distrito ng Valenzuela, kagalang-galang Rex P. Gatchalian. Sa ating tagapamanihan ng pangsangay, Dr. Flordelisa R. Mayari. Sa ating tagapagsit pangsangay, Ginang Victoria D. Alcoberos. Sa isa sa mga haligi ng ating paaralan, Kapitan Alvin S. Feliciano. Ang aming masipag at butihing punong guro, Ginang Mirna M. Agulto. Gayon din sa lahat ng mga masigasig na punong guro ng bawat paaralan. Sa mga nagmamahal na guro, magulang at kapwa ko mag-aaral, isang kapanapanabik na araw para sa ating lahat. 4 na taon ng pakikipagbuno sa hamon ng pagiging mag-aaral ang lumipas at mabilis na nagdaan. Ilang litro rin ng pawis ang tumulo mula sa mga nagsisikap at nangangarap na mag-aaral. Kilong-kilo ring karanasan ang naliko mula sa ikalawang tahanan. Di mabilang na tawa, iyak, lungkot, saya, kabiguan at tagumpay ang bumuo at kumumpleto sa aming buhay mag-aaral. At ngayong araw na ito, sa kauna-unahang pagkakataon sa kasaysayan ng aming munting paaralan, sa ilalim ng pagsubaybay ng aming punong guro at paggabay ng aming mga magulang at guro, ay aanihin na namin ang bunga ng aming mga pagsisikap. Ang bagong sibol na binhi aming itinanim sa pamamagitan ng aming pawis at galak. Malugod ko po kayong inaanyayahan na saksihan at makibahagi sa napaka-espesyal
Thank you, Sarah. Alright, so narinig niyo ba yun? Ito po ang simula ng panibagong hamon sa inyong mga buhay. And since we are all been talking about history or kasaysayan, mainam siguro it would be a good thing if we are going to look back the history of your school. Let me read to you the overview or the brief history of our Compadon National High School. Valenzuela National High School, our Compadon Annex, was established through the initiative of Barangay Captain Alvin Feliciano and the Sangguniang Barangay of our Compadon through Resolution number 05-06 dated March 5, 2006. The school started its operation on June 5, 2006 with Mr. Meliton P. Zurbada, officer in charge, supported by only 3 teachers, namely Ms. Alta C. Ventero. Can we ask the teacher to please stand for that one? Ms. Marisol B. Aguinaldo and Ms. Reddy M. Cometa. The 3 teachers were then receiving their salaries through Barangay Council Fund. In the beginning of their operations, they had only 61 students, utilizing 2 classrooms of PR San Diego Elementary School. The total population of the students reached to 330 students in school year 2008-2009. A new 3-story building was constructed and formally inaugurated on September 19, 2008 through the joint effort of our barangay chairman, again, Alvin S. Feliciano, Sangguniang Barangay of our Compadon, and the city government of Valenzuela through the administration of Honorable Sherwin T. Gatchalian. It is